We're delighted to have you join us at the Middle East and European Tango Championship and Festival. We've worked hard to make this the best tango event of 2024. Great teachers and dancers are ready to show you a good time. Need a partner to register, take workshops or traveling? We got you covered. Let me show you how to find a partner in just few clicks. We partnered with tangopartner.com to help you find partners for workshops, milongas and more. Get to know other tango lovers planning to join the festival, get all the festival updates and chat with the organizers and the maestros directly from the app. Please go to www.tangopartner.com, download the app and let's meet there. Great, and welcome again. Now that you got the app, let's get to the fun part. From the main screen, click on the big banner of our Meet Festival and Championship. It will take you directly to our festival section where you can meet other people planning to attend, find partners and chat with us, the friendly organizers. Click the Interested button to join our festival group and connect with other tango lovers. See who else plan to join the fun, then let's get dancing. Click on the link Interested Users to connect, request lessons, and find the right partner for you. From here you can send cabicios to other members, chat and make plans to take workshops together, share a glass of wine and travel. Click Message the organizer to chat with the event organizer. In our festival, you will always be among friends. We can't wait to meet you in Limassol. Please install the app, get connected and let us know if we can help with anything. Big hug, Tango and sunshine.